Black hat SEO may sound tempting for quick wins, but beware of its hidden dangers. Techniques like keyword stuffing, cloaking, hidden text, link farms, content automation, and doorway pages can lead to penalties from search engines. These unethical practices not only harm user experience, but also risk your website's long-term success. Remember, sustainable growth comes from quality content and genuine engagement, not shortcuts that could backfire. Stay ethical, stay ahead. Running a website comes with risks. Search engine penalties are no joke. Using shady tactics can lead to demotion or even a ban. Your reputation? It's on the line. Short-term gains from black hat SEO? Sure, but long-term losses are inevitable. And legal consequences? They're real. Deception, spamming, copyright issues. They can land you in hot water. Stay clean, stay ethical. It's the only way to win in the long run. Ethical SEO is the name of the game. White hat strategies like quality content, top-notch performance, and genuine backlinks are the keys to success. Content marketing is the powerhouse, attracting and retaining your audience for profitable actions. User experience optimization is the cherry on top, enhancing engagement and boosting search rankings. Say no to black hat shortcuts. The risks aren't worth it. Stick to ethical practices for long-term triumph. Let's build success the right way.